Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
This is my video about that cruise build. My name is Jim Ergen.
You had the splattered box WDXs in the 12 truck. Yes, sir.
Same box.
Really? Oh, yeah. Okay. Nice. I like it. So, could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Jim Ergen, President and CEO of Team Compensating. I have two WDX G212s.
Okay.
Running on a 3,500 watt SIA sundown amplifier.
All right.
DS18 Pro Audios in the door speakers.
Yes, sir.
And two DS18 in the A-pillars.
Nice. So how do you like the difference in output? Can you tell anything different?
I did gain a little bit on decibels.
Okay.
I really did. And I went from a 142 to 143.8. So really close. Okay. And this is all at 2 ohms.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So is that a 1 ohm amp or a 2 ohm amp?
It is actually a 1 ohm amp, yeah. It just
here.
happens to be with the D2s on the subs.
1 and 2. Got it.
I can either wire 2 or half.
Yeah.
I tried half. It just sounded like garbage.
Protects or is distortion and all, yeah. Yes, sir. And these are 3 4-inch ports.
Yes, sir.
Nice. What's your cubic space size on the box?
The cubic space is 5.2 net.
Net, got it.
Yeah, 233, peaks at like 36, 37. But plays really well between 35 and 38.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah, man. Any upgraded alternator?
No.
Stock all?
Stock all.
Okay.
Got a battery back there. Not even a big 3 upgrade.
Where's the battery?
Under the box.
Under the box, okay. Don't worry about it. Is it a lithium or is it AGM?
AGM, it's 120 amp hour AGM.
Okay.
Power.
All right. Yep. Sounds like the D3100 or something like that.
Yeah, it's a D3100.
All right.
Down to 29.
Okay, nice. I like it, man.
Yeah, it's just,
actually, probably your peak went a little higher changing to the bigger cabin, you think, or did it go down?
I think I haven't really tried.
Yeah,
I only had the car like a month.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I mean, it does pick up. It does sound a little bit more, to it.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
I appreciate it. Can I see the back real quick? Just to kind of get the size of the box, even though it's nothing back there. Can I come over? I'd love to hear it, man.
All right.
Let's rage.
Thank you.
It plays the like low 30 hertz range. Does it play any lower?
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
I can go down to 29.
Okay, nice. I like it, man.
Yeah.